I'm working on more small business orders, hooping frustrations, embroidering beanies, and Christmas stocking drama. Yes, we are definitely going to be talking about how I hooped these stockings. I got so many comments and like DMs from people like, how did you hoop the stocking without stitching the backing closed? So don't worry, we will get to all the details of that. But on today's agenda, I have more business logos that I need to finish up. Let me show you, this is what I'm working on. Honest heating and cooling. This is on my Happy machine. So far, I've been loving the stitching on it. You guys have been wanting me to do a review on the Happy machine, and hopefully I can do that sometime in the near future. Okay, so business logos, I have a lot of beanies that I need to do. I have some Etsy shop orders that I need to finish. It's the really cute Miriam Bright been sewing all night. Oh, and I have this tool that you guys are always asking me about. I have it in a lot of my videos, and I've never been able to find another place to refer you guys to get another one. It's my alignment tool. It's around here somewhere. I will show you in a minute. I have an Etsy shop that sells them, and so we're going to be talking about that too. But let me just get to work. I got to get a few of these things done, and then we'll talk a little bit more. And here is my struggle in real time. I'm telling you, I don't know how you guys can do this. I just haven't purchased a MightyHoop for my Happy machine, and I am literally going to do that right now because this is ridiculous. And once it's hooped, everything seems to run pretty smoothly on my Happy machine. It's got really pretty stitches. It's actually quieter than my Brother embroidery machine. I still haven't tried out many of the functions because I've been so busy just trying to keep up with orders, but hopefully I can have a moment to explore a little bit more of the options and post a video review on it. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting that, so just please be patient. While those are stitching out, I'm going to move on to another project. Here is another business that I did their merchandise for. It's called ELB Corporation, and I think it turned out really nice. So I just wanted to share that with you. And now I have to work on these beanies. I got an order from the Titans football team to embroider 25 beanies. I'm just prepping the beanies right now by attaching this Floriani Power Mesh Stabilizer to the inside of the beanie cuff. And then I use my spray adhesive and I just lightly press it on there because I don't want to stretch out the ribbing on the beanies. And this helps keep the ribbing in place, because you know how it can stretch during like the hooping process, and it will stretch out a little bit when you're embroidering it. Here I have my tearaway stabilizer hooped onto my MightyHoop. And remember to always mark your beanie so you have a sticker that shows the arrow pointing up, or it's best to just print out the design and put it right on there. That way, because I promise you will get turned around and you'll think that you're embroidering it upside down. So then you'll flip it, and then when you're done, it will still be upside down. So please don't try to guess. Just have your placement right there that shows you what way you are embroidering the design. Here you can see that I'm lining it up to the top with the lines on my mat, and then the sides right here with my mat as well. That way I know it is on there completely straight. And now it's ready for the machine. And while those are being stitched out, I have plenty of others that I need to remove all the tear away from, and then I'm going to trim around the design of the cutaway. And just like that, they are done, and they look so good, and I'm sure the team is going to love them. Here are some other beanies that I did, and I just love the look of these beanies, and they are a great product to add to your business. Okay, now I want to know, how are you guys hooping stockings? I kind of want to try the Durkee frames, but I don't have them. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you. And people are asking me, like, how did you avoid stitching the back? And right here, I have a video of what I posted in the Facebook group. This is how I hoop my stockings. This is how I embroider stockings. Right now, I'm marking the center of the cuff, and I've got my tearaway stabilizer placed on my backing frame, and I'm using the sleeve hoop by Hoopmaster. I'm just going to slide it in there, and I'm lining it up with my grid lines to make sure that it's straight. Then it just snaps into place. So easy, you guys. And here is a view from the bottom. And now the whole family is ready for Santa. I posted that video in an embroidery Facebook group, and I got this comment about how the opening is not wide enough and I must not have a bobbin bar, but I definitely have a bobbin case on my machine. Now my hoodies are done being stitched out, so I'm just going to tear out the tearaway stabilizer, and then I'm going to cut around the Floriani power mesh. And I usually keep about 1/4 of an inch border around the embroidery design. Okay, here's just a few of them. Are they amazing or what? I love that. This is another local business in my area. And now, you know, when he goes to give quotes and do services and, you know, things that heating and cooling businesses do, but he'll look really like put together and professional. And now I just got to get some hats going for him. He doesn't know that part yet though. I've been wanting to tell you about this. So you saw this, it's an old acrylic ruler that I picked up. I picked this up from my local sewing called Nuddles here in Layton. This was like on a clearance. You can't find it on their website, and I don't know where to get something similar to this. I did find an Etsy shop. It's called Design Wood Creations. And the reason why I wanted another one is this one is kind of big, and the one that she has, it has like left chest, right chest. It's a little bit smaller. This one is kind of hard to store. I'm excited to get my new one. I placed an order. We're actually going to be doing a trade. I'm going to embroider something for her, and then she's going to send me this. So I'm going to leave a link below so that you can also support her small business as well. It's just a shop located in Georgia, and I'm sure she would be so excited if a few of you placed an order as well. It helps like get the placement right on your t-shirts. I should be receiving it next week, and I will show you how it is. So I'm excited to use that one because everybody's always like mentioning or asking in all of my videos, like, where did you get that ruler? And I've never had anywhere to show them. I'm like, it's just a local sewing shop in my area. Sorry guys, because they're my local sewing shop. They're not online, and they don't carry those rulers anymore. Now, I do have a few like mama sweatshirts that I need to get done. At this time, I'm going to get going so that I can get busy on those other projects. I'm glad that you stopped by and we got to visit or whatnot. So I do hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Say bye.